Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's a special one for me, but yeah, so I've actually hit the target that was predicted for 30 days. I've done it in 3 weeks with this Titano account. So I invested $700 into Titano on the 22nd and 24th of February. We're now on the 17th of March, the 17th of March, and we've hit the target. Reason being is that the price of the token had skyrocketed from the 11 cents that I had first bought at, 11 and 12 cents, because I've made 2 purchases. And now the coin has made it all the way up to 19 cents. So it's a big jump. There was a lot of ups and downs in this project, but it's always been an uptrend. So the ups and downs are people taking their profits. People will call them whales when there's a big drop and stuff like that, but overall this project is very healthy. It's on a massive uptrend, and I just think it's got some really good longevity in the project. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my MetaMask wallet right now, just to let you know how many tokens I've got since I started. So I'm now on 8,477 tokens from all the rebases. So if we just go back to the Titano website here on the dashboard, we'll go account, and then I will just connect my wallet so that you guys can see my earnings. Now I'm sitting at $1,611.48. That's crazy stuff. That's 3 weeks of just doing nothing. I'm sitting at $30.90 per day now at the current price from the token. So it actually doesn't matter about the price of the token, because you will continue to get the same amount of tokens, and this is a long-term game. So if you just sit and hold, you'll benefit. You'll benefit in the long run from this project, and that's what I've learned so far. With people buying and selling, taking their profits, there's always that tax. There's the 18% tax for when you sell. So when people take their profits, they pay 18%. That goes back into the treasury, into the holders and everything like that. It keeps the 102,000% APY solid, okay, because it's fixed. So and same with the buying. People buying and selling, it's healthy for the project. So when everyone's getting scared and thinking that, I don't know about this project, this might seem a little risky, it's not. It is. Obviously, you do your own research and that. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but I'm just saying, I'm just showing you my account right now, what I've done in the last 3 weeks. And I'm very happy with this. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase some more, because I want to round it off, so to around $1,000. I'm going to chuck in about $500. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the swap on the left hand side here, and then you'll come up to the bog.finance app. So I'm just going to make sure that my wallet's connected and I'm on the Binance Smart Chain network, and then we'll go over to where the BNB here you can see, and I'm going to hit max. So there we go, 1.4. Just quickly review everything here. Just quickly review everything that you got here. You can see how many tokens that you'll receive and stuff like that. So, and then all you do is go ahead and click swap. It'll bring up your MetaMask account so that you can confirm it. And you'll see the gas fees here. It's like next to nothing, 0.001. So all good. Yeah, hit confirm, and then in a short time the transactions will be done. Boom, finished, all completed. Very easy. I find this a lot easier than PancakeSwap. When I tried it on there the first time, I had a little bit of issues with the slippage and stuff like that, but here it's just super easy. It's done. There's no worries. So yeah, that's it guys, all finished. We'll go back to Titano now and refresh, and then you'll see the updated balance, $2,092.70 now. That's amazing. I'm really bullish on this project, so I'm jumping in on it more. I've rounded it off now to about 1,000. You can put like 1,100 in there. And so that's where I'm going to leave it now. I'm going to wait and let it build up over the next few months, and then I will take my initial investment back so that it's just a free project after that. Free source of passive income, and I'm just going to see if it's going to hit $1 million. That's the goal. Let it build up, and hopefully it all works out to what it says it's going to do. So that's it guys. It's a very quick video. Just wanted to show you guys that, just to update you guys on my account. and then go ahead and show you how to purchase some Titano with BNB through your MetaMask wallet on the website. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any comments down below, if you guys have anything to say or any comments, man, let me know down below in the comment section. I always answer to everybody. And yeah, if you found this video helpful and you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos, and hit the bell notification so that you know when I post videos. So I'll be doing weekly Titano videos about all the weekly updates that they got coming through. Just from their Twitter and everything, that some people just don't have Twitter, or they don't get the updates. Any updates in the Discord, I'll do all that every week. I'll do a video, at least one, on Titano to keep everybody up to date, and also about the account to see how we're going week by week. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for all your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you.